Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dima here, and today I'll be taking down my 1-month-old braids which I've been using for my wigs. So guys, let's get started. So that's my spray bottle and that's this product. I don't know, it's not popular. I just got it in the market. It's actually a leave-in conditioner, but I usually use mine as a detangler, or each time I want to take down my braids or long-term protective style. This actually helps me a lot. The slippage is on another level, guys. So I'm going to be using this, be pouring it in my spray bottle. Okay, it's called Natural Emergency Hair and Scalp Treatment Leave-in Conditioner. I don't know, you could just check any of beauty supply store closest to you. You may just find it in Nigeria. I don't think you can find this outside Nigeria. So it's water-based, is a water-based leave-in conditioner. So I'll be using this just to moisturize the hair, to avoid excessive shedding and stuff. So this is going to serve as a moisturizer, and I'll also be using my oil to provide the sleep. So I'm going to pour this into my spray bottle. Sorry, just about that amount. Just about that amount. Sorry guys, I just want to show you guys the consistency. It's actually a slimy kind of. So guys, I'm so sorry I lost part of the video. I had already taken down those ones and I'm left with the last one. So I just quickly want to come show you guys how I take this down. So remember I told you guys about this product. It's actually a leave-in conditioner. You readily feel the aloe vera in there because it's made, aloe vera is part of the ingredient, and this gives so much sleep that moisturizes and helps the knots to dissolve, and then also it helps me detangle properly and then very easily. So I'm actually going to, I had already poured some in my spray bottle which I'll be using to take this down. This is the last braid left, so I'm just going to be applying it here and then taking it down. The slip, it helps me detangle properly. So guys, I'm just going to spray this. Sorry, it's forming. I'm just going to spray this on the braid. When taking down an old braid like this, make sure that you're very careful when taking down this area, that is your edges, so that you don't go bald. I love this because it helps me detangle and take the braids with ease, because it moisturizes my hair and then softens and helps me take down this braid. So you just have to be very careful when doing this so that you don't shed much. So guys, this is what I'm actually talking about. When you get to this point, you have to be very careful because you will experience a lot of knots there. So if you're rushing, you might just shed a lot of hair if you're not careful. This area, can you see? You can see that it's as if my hair is knotted, kind of. So I'll actually spray more of this there to help loosen that. You can see, guys, it actually dissolved that with ease. I so much love this leave-in conditioner. I just call it a detangler because the way it detangles my hair and softens my hair is on another level, guys. So you can see my 4 weeks braids was completely taken down with ease, guys. So I'll just go ahead and then seal that with my homemade oil. You can see I don't even need a comb. So I just run my fingers through it and then twist that up, just like I did with these other ones. So I'll just go ahead and twist that up. So guys, that's just it. Please, if you try this product or you're yet to try it or you would love to try it, please let me know in the comments. And if you try it, please let me know how it goes. So guys, that's it for today's video. So I will just go ahead and then wash my hair, pre-poo. I'm actually going to pre-poo, then wash the next day, put that back in a protective style. Like I said on my Instagram page, I'm going to wear more of protective styling this year, so giving my hair loads of break. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also share with me how you take down your long-term protective style in the comments. Please, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and then share. Do not forget to share, subscribe to my channel if you love what you see, and thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate that. And that's it for today's video. Actually, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.